This is the Keychron K8 and it's a great option for anyone looking for a wireless mechanical keyboard. And in this video I'm going to tell you all about its main features. So let's go.
Okay, just before we start, just a quick mention about Keychron. If you go on their website, they make great mechanical keyboards in all different shapes, sizes and colors, and then when you select the one that you want, you can then go in and change what type of backlighting you want, what type of keyboard you want, and then the different switches. So it comes in this really nice black box with a picture of the keyboard on the front and the back and a couple of the key features that the keyboard comes with. Inside the box you've got a really nice solid plastic cover that comes on top of the keyboard. Obviously I've opened mine up already. Comes with a plastic bag and a couple of extra keys, including some window keys if you're going to use it with a Windows computer or laptop. And then you also get your key and switch removal tools, which come in handy if you want to change the keys. So here's a straight up look at the keyboard. I really love the different shades of grey that is used. A really nice look and feel to the keyboard. It weighs quite a bit as well and just overall really aesthetically pleasing. You've got 3 lights on the right, one for charging, one for Bluetooth and one for your caps. So overall it connects to 3 devices, and once you've connected to all 3 of those you can switch between them by selecting the FN and 1, 2 or 3 keys, and that will switch between your devices. You also press the FN key and the light key together to activate or deactivate the backlighting, and then the light key by itself to go through the different light modes as you can see on the screen. If you want a specific fixed backlight, you can go to the backlight on option and then you select the FN and the arrow keys to switch through the different colors. Use F5 or F6 to control your brightness. So I opted for the brown switches, and here's the typing experience. In terms of additional features, I really like the braided cable it comes with. It's really nice and solid and strong, and the charger is angled at 90 degrees for longevity, and it helps sort of keep the wire out of the way. In terms of the feet, there's 2 levels to the kick up feet the keyboard comes with, and they're really good, strong and sturdy. On the side you've got the charging port, 1 switch to switch between Bluetooth, cable and off, and 1 to switch between Mac and Windows. It's also got this really nice feature where it disconnects from your computer if you haven't used it for a couple of minutes. You can just reconnect it by touching any key on the keyboard. You can turn this feature off, just follow the instructions in the manual it comes with. So yeah, overall I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm currently using it alongside the MX Master 3 and they're doing me really good for productivity, video editing and so on.
And that's it from me guys. I hope this video was beneficial. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.